I'll never forget Thanksgiving 2021. I was searing steaks indoors, and within minutes, the kitchen looked like a war zone. Smoke alarms screamed, guests choked, and my cheap builder-grade hood just hummed uselessly, pushing grease back into my face. Finding a range hood that actually vents instead of just making noise is a nightmare. You're bombarded with CFM ratings, duct sizes, and filter types that make zero sense. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best under-cabinet vented range hoods I've personally tested, leading up to the absolute powerhouse that saved my kitchen. Which one fits your home? Let's find out. 7. ROBAM A832. The ROBAM caught my eye with its sleek, modern aesthetic and promises of extreme suction power. It features a unique black tempered glass panel that really stands out against traditional stainless steel appliances. When we unboxed it in the test kitchen, it felt incredibly premium, and the touchscreen controls added a nice futuristic flair. It is specifically designed to cater to heavy cooking, notably Asian-style stir-frying where oil and thick smoke are constantly produced. Putting it to the test with some heavy searing, the dual-core motor definitely showed up to work. It boasts a powerful 800 PA static pressure, meaning it can forcefully expel smoke even through long, complex ductwork. The patented 360-degree tornado suction technology creates a vortex that genuinely grabs smoke before it can escape into the living room. I love the hands-free wave control feature, which allowed me to adjust speeds simply by waving my hand, avoiding greasy fingerprints all over that beautiful glass panel. However, actually living with this hood presented some real frustrations that quickly dampened my excitement. While the suction is undeniably strong, it comes at the cost of a seriously intrusive noise level on the highest settings. When you have this cranked up, holding a conversation in the kitchen or hearing the television becomes practically impossible. Furthermore, the installation process was completely nerve-wracking. The instructions were poorly translated, and the sheer weight of the unit meant we had to reinforce the upper cabinets significantly just to mount it safely. 6. Hauslane PS38. Next up is the Hauslane, an under-cabinet model that leans heavily into the professional chef aesthetic. Crafted from thick stainless steel, this hood feels like it belongs in a bustling restaurant kitchen rather than a suburban home. We were initially drawn to its robust build and the promise of chef-level extraction for our indoor grilling tests. It utilizes a dual-motor system that claims to handle intense culinary tasks, and the heavy-duty baffle filters immediately gave us confidence in its grease-trapping abilities. During our cooking trials, the PS38 handled boiling pots of pasta and standard pan frying with relative ease. The 900 CFM suction capacity is certainly nothing to scoff at, quickly clearing out lingering odors before they could seep into the fabrics of our living room furniture. The stainless steel baffle filters are completely dishwasher safe, which is always a massive plus in my book. I also appreciated the intuitive button layout, which skips the finicky touchscreens for satisfying tactile mechanical controls that you can operate even with wet or greasy hands. Unfortunately, the deeper we got into our testing, the more the cracks began to show with the PS38. While the internal suction is rated highly, we noticed that the air capture area isn't as optimized as it could be, allowing a noticeable amount of smoke to billow out past the front lip during intense, high-heat searing. Additionally, the build quality, while visually heavy, lacks structural refinement. Some of the interior metal edges were surprisingly sharp, making the filter removal process a bit of a hazard if you aren't paying close attention. 5. Proline PLGW 832. Right out of the box, you can tell this machine means business. It's available with a massive blower capacity ranging from 1,000 to an astonishing 2,000 CFM, making it one of the most powerful under-cabinet hoods we've ever had the chance to test. The sleek stainless steel finish combined with a modern glass profile gives it an aggressive yet elegant look that instantly elevates the kitchen's design. Putting the PLGW 832 to the test was honestly a thrilling experience. We decided to blacken some redfish, a notoriously smoky endeavor, and this hood didn't even break a sweat. The dual blowers practically inhale smoke, grease, and steam, ensuring that not a single trace of odor escapes into the surrounding rooms. Even at the lower speed settings, it outperforms the maximum settings of most standard builder-grade hoods. It also features beautiful, energy-efficient LED lights that brilliantly illuminate the entire cooking surface without any harsh shadows. One of my absolute favorite aspects of this Proline model is the filtration system. It utilizes commercial-grade stainless steel baffle filters that are expertly designed to channel grease away from the motor and into a dedicated drip tray. Cleaning them is as simple as popping them into the dishwasher after a heavy week of cooking. Unlike the previous models, the interior cavity of the PLGW 832 is smoothly finished, meaning there are no hidden grease traps or sharp edges to worry about when you're giving it a deep clean. The control panel is another high point, featuring a sleek, easy-to-use digital interface that gives you precise control over the multi-speed blower. I was particularly impressed by how manageable the noise levels were considering the sheer volume of air it moves. 4. ZLINE 625. ZLINE has built a strong reputation for offering premium aesthetics without the eye-watering price tags, and the 625 model is a shining example of that philosophy. Built from high-quality 430-grade stainless steel, it has a classic, timeless profile that blends seamlessly with almost any kitchen cabinetry. When we installed it, it instantly felt like a permanent, premium upgrade to the space. What really blew me away about the ZLINE 625 is the proprietary motor technology. It features a 900 CFM high-performance motor that operates with a smoothness I haven't seen in many competing brands. We ran a series of tests boiling large pots of water and searing thick burgers, and the hood effortlessly pulled away the heavy steam and smoke. But the real magic here is the sound output. Even on the highest setting, the motor emits a low, tolerable hum rather than a disruptive roar, allowing you to actually enjoy a podcast or a conversation while you cook. ZLINE also completely nailed the lighting on this unit. The directional LED lights are strategically placed to flood the entire stovetop with bright, warm light, making it incredibly easy to monitor the browning of butter or the sear on a steak. The baffle filters are deeply grooved, which we found highly effective at trapping atomized grease particles before they could reach the ductwork. They slot nicely into place and feel robust, ensuring they won't warp or bend after multiple cycles in the heavy-duty dishwasher. Living with the ZLINE 625 proved to be an absolute breeze. The 4-speed push-button controls are tactile and responsive, completely immune to the glitches that sometimes plague fancy touchscreens. 3. Hauslane PS18. Now, I know we were a bit critical of the PS38 earlier, but Hauslane completely redeemed themselves with this masterpiece. The PS18 is specifically designed to be an absolute titan of ventilation, featuring a sleek, contemporary design that completely revitalizes the under-cabinet space. We were immediately struck by the full-width extraction area, which maximizes the coverage over both the front and rear burners, ensuring that no stray steam or smoke escapes its grasp. The performance of the PS18 is nothing short of spectacular. It utilizes a highly efficient dual motor system that delivers a staggering 860 CFM of suction power. During our stress tests, we intentionally burned a pan of bacon to create a massive cloud of smoke. The PS18 cleared the air so rapidly that the kitchen smoke alarm didn't even have time to chirp. It features a versatile 6-speed setting, which is a massive upgrade, allowing you to dial in the exact amount of ventilation you need, from a gentle simmer to an aggressive wok sear. One of the standout features of the PS18 is its unique, highly advanced baffle filter system. Unlike standard flat filters, these are designed with deep, angled grooves that aggressively separate the grease from the air through centrifugal force. We found that the grease containment was exceptional, keeping the internal motor completely spotless after weeks of rigorous testing. They are entirely dishwasher safe, and thanks to a very clever latch system, dropping them out for cleaning takes less than 3 seconds. The user interface is another massive win for the Hauslane PS18. It features a beautiful, crisp digital display with touchscreen controls that actually work flawlessly, even when your fingers are slightly damp. 2. FOTILE Pixie Air UQS 3001. If you're looking for a range hood that feels like it was designed in the year 2030, this is it. FOTILE has engineered an under-cabinet hood that completely reimagines what ventilation can look like. It boasts an impossibly slim, elegant profile that almost disappears under your cabinetry, freeing up visual space and making the kitchen feel significantly larger. Despite its delicate appearance, this unit is an absolute monster when it comes to air purification. The Pixie Air doesn't rely purely on brute force CFM. Instead, it uses advanced aerodynamics. It features FOTILE's Whiz Power technology, which creates a massive capture shield over the entire cooking area. We tested this by boiling strongly spiced curries, and the hood literally seemed to pull the steam inward from the edges of the stove before it could rise. The dual centrifugal motors spin at incredible speeds, yet they do so with a whisper-quiet operation that left our entire testing team completely speechless. But what truly sets the Pixie Air apart is its intelligent air quality monitoring system. This can actually detect harmful gases, smoke, and cooking odors in the air on its own. If it senses a drop in air quality, it automatically kicks on to purify the kitchen environment, even if you aren't actively cooking. This feature provided an incredible sense of safety and cleanliness, ensuring our home was always filled with fresh, breathable air regardless of what was happening on the stove. 1. Zephyr AK2100BS. Finally, taking the #1 spot as the undisputed king of under-cabinet range hoods is the Zephyr, part of their legendary Typhoon series. This hood is perfection incarnate. It takes every single feature you could ever want in a ventilation system and executes it with flawless precision. Crafted with a beautiful, seamless curve of heavy-gauge stainless steel, the Zephyr exudes a level of premium craftsmanship that immediately makes it the focal point of the kitchen. It doesn't just look good, it is built like an absolute tank. When it comes to performance, the Zephyr operates in a league of its own. Boasting an incredibly powerful 850 CFM blower, it creates a massive vortex that effortlessly tackles the heaviest smoke, grease, and pungent odors. We threw everything we had at this hood, blackened steaks, deep-fried chicken, and charred peppers, and it devoured the smoke without a second of hesitation. Yet, thanks to Zephyr's proprietary acoustic padding and internal aerodynamic design, it is stunningly quiet, allowing for a peaceful cooking environment even at maximum extraction speeds. The control system on the Zephyr is a masterclass in ergonomic design. It features incredible capacitive touch controls that respond instantly, complemented by a gorgeous digital display. It offers 6 different speed levels, giving you microscopic control over your ventilation needs. We absolutely fell in love with the dual-level halogen lighting, which provides a brilliant, theatrical glow over the stovetop, making every meal feel like a professional culinary presentation. The self-cleaning feature is also mind-blowing. It uses an internal centrifugal system to liquefy grease and flush it into a hidden collection cup.